Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'll be showing you all how to make super amazing and scrumptious samosa filling. So enjoy this video. First, we'll start by making the sauce or the filling. To make the filling, add some vegetable oil into a saucepan. To that, you add in some chopped onions and you saute this for a little while. Then you go in with some salt. You add in ginger powder and garlic powder. Okay, after adding that, you go in with some red chili powder. Then you go in with some curry powder. Next, you add in some seasoning powder. You can use chicken seasoning or beef seasoning, but for this recipe I use chicken seasoning. Then you also add in your cooking thyme. Okay, now after adding in the cooking thyme, you go in with some turmeric powder. Okay, then you add in your nutmeg powder or clove. You can use clove, you can use nutmeg powder. Okay, next you add in some sesame oil or sesame seed oil. Then you add in some dark soy sauce. Okay, you can also use oyster sauce and all that, but I normally use soy sauce because it gives it absolute taste. It has this taste of kind of sugary and a bit of salty taste. Next, you add in some white vinegar or you can use freshly squeezed lemon juice. You're going to stir this on low to medium heat. Then you go in with your minced beef because we are making beef samosas. Okay, then you go into a minced beef and you keep on stirring this till your beef looks just this way. Okay, so once your beef looks this way, you will go in with just a little bit of your vegetables, the cabbage, the shredded carrots, green and red bell peppers, green beans and all that. So just add them just little. Okay, you don't need to add them too much because you are not making spring rolls. Also, you add in slightly blended or mashed scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, then you saute this or you stir this for a little while on low to medium heat because now you don't want to overcook your vegetables because your meat is done already. So just add in the vegetables, stir a little while, then you taste. Once your sauce is ready, you are good to go. Okay, you're going to put this in a plate, cover it and set it aside. Then you go ahead to